In this video, I am getting into the holiday spirit by making myself a reusable Christmas tree. I typically don't get around to buying a tree. Time slips away from me, and before I know it, it's already Christmas. But this year, I was set on it. I was going to put up a tree. The thing I like about this wooden version is I can reuse it year after year. And when I'm not using it, it can flat pack away. The pieces are tiny and cute, but that means tiny hardware. No problem though, I've been using a toolkit from Ifixit, which has a huge assortment of quality drivers and bits. I first laid out my magnetic project mat, which keeps all of my hardware accessible, but from rolling away or getting lost. Then I started assembling. The base has a threaded insert where two small screws hold in place. Then the snowflake layers are set in place by putting in a small set screw halfway on each side, creating a shelf for the snowflake to rest on. Cute. How stinking cute. I almost wish I still worked in an office so I could have one of these on my desk. Note, the keyword is almost. While playing with it, let's go ahead and see what a scaled up version would look like. With this one being larger, it was easier to take out some of the needed hardware that the mini version requires. The stem could just snap together with a nice friction fit, then the snowflakes could be slipped on in the correct order. Each snowflake is staggered so that the long side of the previous snowflake is offset with the next one. This way, whenever it's all painted and done, ornaments can be added without bumping the below layer. To keep the layers from tipping up and down, just slightly once added, I pre-drilled, then added in one screw per side to keep the snowflake in place. I want to say a big thank you to Ifixit for sponsoring this video. This company is amazing. Not only their tools, which I do highly recommend, but also the mindset they're spreading. They're a company that emphasizes and enables people to fix things instead of throwing them away. Their website is full of wonderful tutorials showing you how to fix items instead of adding them to the landfill. Their motto of never take broken for an answer is proudly placed on my shop fridge as a reminder. If you're looking for a great for anybody holiday gift, then check out the giveaway I'm hosting where 3 people will be getting the Ifixit Manta set. There is a link for you down below. I've also left a link to Ifixit's website. I recommend the Minnow Precision set for the perfect stocking stuffer, the Murray Precision set for any homeowner that you need an ace idea for, and then the ProTech Toolkit for anybody with a shop or love of building fixing things. I guarantee if you add any of these sets to your person's toolkit, they will thank you. It might not be typical, but I love my wooden Christmas tree. If you're interested in one for the holidays or as a gift, then I am selling them for the holiday season. Check the description down below for a link as well as the Ifixit giveaway. If I don't talk to you before then, happy holidays. You can click right here if you're interested in picking up your own reusable Christmas tree. I'm selling them in both the larger version and the adorable miniature version.